Well, it looks a little too cold and blustery out there. Guess I'm gonna have to hop online and order some woodshop supplies. Well, we're at the shop again. It's still dusty. Let's fix it. Today we're going to build a box, but not just any box. A box with ambition. A box that says, I will fight dust and I will win. So I just realized a problem with my fan. I have a fan that has the power switch on the back of the fan, which means this is the face that is going to be on the inside of the box. And if it's on the inside of the box, I'm not going to be able to get to the power switch. So unfortunately, the fan that I had laying around the house for this purpose is not going to work with the design that I had in mind. Okay, so I went back inside the house, and lucky for me, I have a fan. The fan's got a power switch on the top of it. We just need to check to see that it works. Yes! We have power! You ever talk into the back of a fan to hear it warble your voice? No, I am your Oh. Hey cutie, can you come out here a sec?
No, I am your father.
Does this filter single-handedly purify the air of the world? Of course not, but it will make the air in my shop a little bit less hazardous. We've got one more filter to add to the bottom of this and then attach the fan. Let's get to it. Oh, and I'm missing some tape on that seam. I had a brief moment of panic that I put the arrows facing the wrong way. So when you're putting one of these together, make sure your arrows point into the box so that the air from the room gets sucked through the filter into the box and then up and out the fan. Okay, that covers the hole, but upon reflection, since I'm going to be running tape along the entire seam to completely seal it, that was probably an unnecessary step. The dial is on the outside. The fan is going to suck the air into the box and up and out of the fan. And we've got the power cable over here so that I can plug it in somewhere. So it is taped up. It's not pretty, but it doesn't have to be pretty. It just has to clean the air for me so that my lungs stay good and healthy. The last piece that I need to do is I need to attach the wooden posts to lift this up off the ground. With it being up off the ground, we get the airflow coming in through the bottom. So I got these wooden stakes killing vampires and such. Hi, Phoenix. As I was saying, I got these wooden stakes. They have spikes at the end. I probably could have found some different wood, but I was lazy and grabbed the first thing that I saw. I'm going to cut off the ends of these so that they're all the same length. it's all done. I think it's only fair that I say thank you to the 3D handyman for inspiring me to make this, among others, but he was the one that got me out of the shop to go buy the stuff. So as a tribute to the YouTuber, the 3D handyman, here you go. Are you ready to filter? Thanks, Venus.
It is useless to resist.